Okay, our next topic is functions. So, our objective is to learn functions, function declarations, and definitions, and many more. So, when you talk about function are blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. Yes. They are fundamental for organizing code, promoting reusability, and making program easier to manage. We have types of function. One is user-defined function. That one is created by programmers to perform a specific function. We have standard library function. That's predefined functions available in C++. That's they are already defined function in C++ libraries. Example is the cout. Yeah. You also have virtual functions, then inline functions. So benefit, or let's say significance of functions. One is modularity. That simply means break down complex programs into smaller manageable units. Then reusability. It simply means write code once and use it multiple times. And we also have abstraction. That's focusing on what the function does rather than how it does it. Yeah. Then improve readability to make code easier to understand. Yes. Then function declaration. So it's also known as the function prototype. It declares the return type. It declares the function's name, the return type, then the parameters before the function is defined. So the syntax for it is the return type, the function name, the parameter. Yes, let's see the parameters. One, two. Yeah. So now example is this. So int is the return type. Find sum is the function name. So this find sum is, you can say, is user defined function. It's created by the programmer. Yeah. Yeah. So this, for example, so you open parenthesis. So the int first sum is the parameters. Int second sum is the parameters. Yes, parameters. So int first sum is the parameter one. Then int second num is parameter two. Yeah. So then you output find the sum of the first number and the second number. Yes, that's what it means. So let's move to our practical session. So we are about to declare like function declaration. So function declaration is your return type. So let's say I want to return integer. Then the function name. Maybe I want to find the sum of two numbers. So the function name, I can say find sum. Find sum. Sorry, there's the function name. Then I open parenthesis. Then I'll type the what the parameters here. So let's say I want to find the sum of maybe first number. And the first number is maybe, okay, let's declare, let's say int first number. Int a equals 5. Then let's see int b equals 10. So I want to find the sum of int a then int b. So then so our function declaration is going to be, so the return type is the int, the function name is the find sum, Then the parameters. So I want to find the sum of integer a, comma, then int b. I want to find the sum of these two numbers. Yes. Then you bring your assignment operator. So we declared our function. So let's move back to our slide.